Canada, the Great White North. Vast, vibrant, wild, and above anything else, very welcoming. Canada will never disappoint you. It's easy to fall in love with the country's magnificent peaks and sprawling glacial landscapes. Witness the pristine and inspirational scenery of natural turquoise lakes. Hop aboard one of the most iconic rail journeys in the world, the Rocky Mountaineer. Explore the spectacular Rocky Mountains, the stunning wonder of nature. Don't forget to catch a glimpse of the magical Northern Lights in Canada's Yukon province. Get up close and personal with nature and the abundant wildlife in their natural habitat. Get blown away by the beauty of the thundering Niagara Falls, a sight truly worth seeing. Immerse yourself in the culture of vibrant cities and the architectural splendor of modern metropolises. Be sure to sample the local cuisine described as Pacific fusion and revel in the entertaining nightlife scene. Whatever you want from a holiday, this place will give it to you with a friendly smile. Canada is the destination for anyone, at any time. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.